Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I will show you how to play Clash of Clans on PC. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. On your browser, head over to Google Play Games website. I have added the link in a description. Basically, with the help of this tool, users can play Android and iOS games that are specially optimized for Windows PC. Before you start downloading the Google Play games on your PC, make sure to check minimum requirements to run this on your PC by clicking this link. Your PC needs to be running Windows 10 version 2004 or above, SSD with 10 GB of free storage space, Intel UHD graphic, GPU 630 or comparable, 4 CPU physical cores, 8 GB of RAM, Windows admin account, and hardware acceleration must be turned on. I have created a detailed video on how to check it. You will find the link in a description. Once you meet all minimum requirements, click on the download button and you will get online installer of Google Play games. Here, head over to location where you have downloaded the setup file and double click to run it. On this screen, you will get the information about software installation location. Click install. When USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. This will start downloading all the required files, so make sure at this point your PC is connected to internet. After that, installation will be done automatically. And once done, you will see the Google Play game screen like this. Here, click on the sign in with Google button and it will directly open the browser. Now use your Google account credentials to log into the application. Once you see this message, close the browser and head over to the application. Now you need to create the profile, like change profile picture and set username of your choice and click create profile button. On the next screen, you can toggle off help improve your experience option if you want and then click finish. And you will see the featured game screen on the Google Play games. Now click on the search icon. On this page, you will find Clash of Clans listed already. In case it's not there, you can search by clicking here. Click on the game and this will take you to game information page. Now if you have noticed, optimized is labeled next to install button, which means this game is optimized for playing on this PC. Click on the install button. Now you will be asked if you want to create a shortcut for the game on the desktop. It's up to you. I would like to create it, so I will click add. The game will start downloading. And once installation completes, you will see the same game is added to library. Now click here. This will take you to library where you can check your installed games. Now click on the play button. In the game window, you will find various options on the left side like exit game, exit or enter full screen, visual settings where you can adjust screen resolution, mouse pointer and maximum FPS. You can remap controls for the game and adjust volume as well. Now that you have installed the game, it's time for you to enter the full screen and enjoy your favorite Android or iOS game on your PC. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.